Welcome to Anjani Shri Sai. Yesterday I have read about Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1 Creation, Chapter 2 Divinity and Divine Service from verses 1 to 6, and today I am going to read from verses 7 to 12. This is the image related to Chapter 2, Text 7. वासुदेवे भगवती भक्तियोगप्रयोजितः जनयत्याशु वैराग्यं ज्ञानं च हेतुकम्. Translation: By rendering devotional service unto the personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, one immediately acquires causeless knowledge and detachment from the world. Text 8. धर्मस्वनुष्ठितपुंसं विश्वक्षेण कथाश्रियः नोत्पादयत्यभिरतिं श्रम एव हि केवलम्. Translation: The occupational activities a man performs according to his own position are only so much useless labor if they do not provoke attraction for the message of the personality of Godhead. Text 9. धर्मस्य यापवर्गस्य नातो अर्थयोपकल्पते नातस्य धर्मैकान्तस्य कामो लाभय हि स्मृतः. Translation: All occupational engagements are certainly meant for ultimate liberation. They should never be performed for material gain. Furthermore, according to sages, one who is engaged in the ultimate occupational service should never use material gain to cultivate sense gratification. Text 10. कामस्य नेन्द्रियप्रतिर्लाभो जीवित यावता जीवस्य तत्त्वजिज्ञासा नातो यश्चेह कर्मभिः. Translation: Life's desire should never be directed toward sense gratification. One should desire only a healthy life or self-preservation. Since a human being is meant for inquiry about the absolute truth, nothing else should be the goal of one's work. Text 11. वदन्ति तत्तत्त्वविदस्तत्त्वं यज्ञानम् अद्वयं ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवान् इति शब्दयेन्. Translation: Learned transcendentalists who know the absolute truth call this non-dual substance Brahman, Paramatma or Bhagavan. Text 12. तच्छ्रद्धाधानमुनयो ज्ञानवैराग्ययुक्तया पश्यन्ति आत्मनि चात्मानं भक्तिश्रुतकृतया. Translation: The seriously inquisitive student or sage, well equipped with knowledge and detachment, realizes that absolute truth by rendering devotional service in terms of what he has heard from the Vedanta Shruti. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates, and please stay tuned. Once again, thank you all.